I am so excited to be filming this video. Hi everyone and welcome back, or welcome if you are new around here. My name is May and today, as you can see by the thumbnail, title, everything about this video, we have another Polene unboxing. If you are new to my channel, I love Polene handbags. Really quick backstory before I show the unboxing. I know that a lot of people, every time that I do my Polene videos, always leave me comments as to them having like a bad experience or the customer service not being what they were expecting. I've also gotten comments that they go into the boutique and they have the most horrible experience as well. And I'm so sorry for all of you that have gone through that. I honestly have nothing but amazing things to say about Polene and the pieces that I have in my collection and the experiences that I've had. That's why I kind of rave so much about it, because I feel like they offer very unique pieces at still semi-attainable price points. That might not be the case in the future after LVMH has sort of invested into the brand. And honestly, after reading all your comments on all of the Polene videos that I do, anytime that I want to order a bag, it kind of makes me hesitate because I'm like, is this going to be the one that's totally gonna like switch my mind and my opinion and just turn it upside down in regards to Polene? And I low-key pray every time that I am unboxing the bag that I order online for it to be absolutely perfect. So this video was meant to be a whole kind of like unboxing with you guys. However, it has been the week from hell for work. So I had to open it myself, you guys. I couldn't wait any longer. I needed to check the bag. I needed to make sure that it was perfect. And I just honestly wanted to see the bag so much. With all that being said, let me share with you the newest addition to my Polene handbag collection. And I am so excited. Ta-da! It is none other than the seam. Oh my gosh, can you tell I'm excited? This is the numero 10 in the color ebony. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pop a quick unboxing for you guys because I do want to share with you the way that it came packaged. I was really surprised at how it came packaged, because honestly, none of my other Polene bags have come wrapped up and packaged this way. I don't know if it is due to the fact that this is their smooth leather option. I know, I'm sure you're all surprised, as am I, that I went with the smooth leather option. This is the color ebony. It is one of their newest releases. It was actually first released on their mochi style, which I'm obsessed with that bag, you guys. However, as much as I continue adding handbags into my collection, I am really trying to analyze my collection and sort of see what it is that is missing, kind of not duplicate, even though I know I will at some point, but I'm trying to be a little bit smarter in my decision making, even if it doesn't seem that way. For the mochi, I did feel that it was more of like a top handle sort of bag. I have a lot of those bags in my collection. I am a top handle girly through and through again. I mention that every single time. So I thought that that was just gonna be another duplicate into my collection. Don't get me wrong, it is a stunning bag. I have a full review video on that piece because my mom did add it as soon as it came out. And the ebony color was one that I was eyeing. If you are up to date with Polene and all of their new releases, you did see that they actually released a few new colors. And this was one of them. So the numero 10 was actually one of the handbags that I mentioned earlier on this video that I wanted but hadn't bought. I don't know, kind of like my handbag wish list video. I'll make sure to link it down below in case you missed it. But it was the color. It was honestly the colors available that just were kind of like, there's nothing that really calls my attention. Like I already have something else in that color and I'll probably gravitate towards that piece before choosing the D's. So when this one came out, they did release it in a beautiful kind of like, I think it's called blood cherry or cherry black, something like that. Stunning burgundy color for the season. So good. It's also available in like a deep rich gray color and then like a cool tone, sort of beigey tone. Very nice. And then I saw this one in the ebony. Now as soon as I clicked it, it was still in stock, surprisingly enough, because I feel like all of the other silhouettes sold out immediately in all of the new colors. But the only thing that made me hesitate and kept me just having this little piece in the cart for about 5 days was the fact that it was the smooth leather. So of course I went to YouTube, I did a deep dive, and I just started searching for all of the videos in the numero Ds with the smooth leather. And from what I have gathered from the research that I have done is that it does seem that Polene kind of does a coating over their leather. So it makes both their grain leather and their smooth leather a bit more durable. Therefore, from watching a couple of videos, a couple of TikToks, and even diving into Instagram, I kind of felt a bit more comfortable as to going this route. It's so stunning. I mean, I can't get enough of the color. Okay, focus, May. So I felt a bit more comfortable going this route and going the smooth leather option. Another reason as to like maybe this was a FOMO purchase is because I did recently do a video in regards to LVMH investing in Polene and just sort of sharing my thoughts as to what I think is to come for the future of Polene. This year, early on, I think it was literally January 1st, they had a huge increase. I think their prices increased anywhere from 20 to 25% in almost all of their silhouettes. I am prepared for 2025 though. I do have all of the prices currently saved on my phone. So when that price increase, I can definitely go into an in-depth sort of video in regards to that. But I honestly think that a price increase is bound to come. When it's going to happen, I don't know. And I honestly don't know if I would have been okay paying $8,000, $9,000, $1,000 for this bag. I have said it before, I do feel like Polene has certain bags that are semi-worth that price point, the Mochi being one of them. I think the detail and the construction of that bag is absolutely stunning. However, the D's is, even though it's a very unique silhouette, it's also a very simple silhouette as well. So, you know what? I was just like, okay, just get it. Also the color, as I said, everything else was being sold out and I got scared that this was gonna sell out. So I was just like, okay, let me just get it. My husband was like, you can't be like doing purchases like that just because something might sell out. It is gonna come back in stock. I was like, I know, but this one just, I felt it in my heart. All right, so now that I've done this whole chatty portion of why I got it, my thoughts behind it, and so on and so forth, let me go ahead and share a little bit of details of the bag with you guys. I also kind of want to share a little bit of mod shots, and I will be doing obviously a more in-depth review as I use it a little bit more. Guys, sorry about this. I feel like I've done this 100 times already, but this is like a whole new kind of vibe for me. I showered really quick. I didn't have time to do my hair. So I curled it and then this little piece just keeps coming forward, so sorry. Anyways, back to this. As I said, it is in the stunning ebony color. It's kind of like a deep, rich brown mixed with black, kind of violet tones in a way. I do want to share with you how it compares to my brown bag from Clio Bella. The Clio Bella is definitely one that you can see is a little bit richer in tone. However, that might also have to play with the kind of leather that it is. This is a very like soft, mushy leather. While again, due to that coating that this one has, this feels very like sturdy, very strong. So we all know that depending on the leather that's being used to construct a handbag, it really determines how it is that the color will portray. The other thing that I quickly wanted to mention to you guys in regards to the design and the color is the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful contrast stitching. I am a huge fan of contrast stitching. I know it's not for everyone, but I personally love how it looks, especially on such a dark color piece. I just feel like it pops so nicely. It's not a white stitching either. It's kind of like a very light sort of beigey tone, and it's just so, so good. Okay, so let's get into sort of deconstructing this piece and adding the other strap. Let's see how stiff this is. Okay, it's stiff. So there you go. That's pretty much how these little kind of hooks come undone. So I'm going to put it into the longest option just to share with you guys how it is that it sits. It actually went in perfectly fine, and you do have like really cute details on here that say Polene as well. So that's something that Polene always like never fails at. It's kind of adding those little details in their handbags, and I just love that about the brand as a whole. All right, so then here we have it in the longest setting. And I did want to point out that I really like the fact that they did add another strap here for you to put the crossbody, just so that it doesn't start flipping and hanging out and just, you know, doing its own thing. So here we go. So there you have it. In the longest setting reference, I am at 5'3" or 160 centimeters. For me, this is a little bit too long. It's still wearable. It still fits, you know, nice. Maybe for a coat, it's a good option. And here is how I would personally wear it, and that is at the first or the shortest option that the strap does offer. As I mentioned, I like my crossbodies to hit me a little bit higher, and this one sits comfortably where I can still get in and out of the bag easily. Let me go ahead and remove this long strap and then attach the smaller one, which it is right here, in order to make this more of like a shoulder or even a top handle option. Also, one thing that I quickly forgot to mention, the smell on this bag, you guys. I just remembered because as I was switching out the straps, like it kind of hit me so good. It smells like such a yummy leather, to be honest. So I love that also, and just wanted to share. So here is the shoulder strap option. This is on the longest setting again. I honestly think that this could be like a crossbody. I mean, it is a little bit too high, like it's a little bit uncomfortable right below my chest here, but just wanted to share that in case you are slimmer, then it could probably work for you if you do like a higher crossbody. If not, then this is how it would look sort of as a shoulder option. All right, short option, this is cute. Like how, oh, I'm like, what is hanging out here? This is the little pull tab for the zipper. How cute is this? I just think she looks so adorable and like a cute little top handle moment. Oh my gosh. Guys, I am obsessed with this piece. The color obviously is the thing that got me. Again, it is just such a good color. I feel like this is the color of the season, the deep, rich chocolate browns, but I also feel like this is a great alternative to a black bag, and it's not as harsh as a black bag. So let me put another black bag next to it. So you can definitely see the difference in regards to black and then the deep chocolate brown. Let me know if you were surprised by this unboxing. I wanted to make it short and sweet, probably didn't end up doing that, but I know you guys love a good chatty unboxing, as I do as well. So here's my new baby. Hopefully I addressed with you guys everything that I wanted to address. Zipper, smooth as a butter, and then interior, it's like a little suede lining interior and then a little back pocket there. So I'm sure you guys know that already of this bag if you have been watching various videos. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys posted on the leather. Of course I will definitely start using her, especially for the season. I think she's perfect. We do have a trip coming and I am super excited because I plan on taking her with me for that trip. Thank you for spending some time of your day here with me today, and I hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye everyone. Also me still wearing the bag.